Ever been plagued by those pesky, painful and unsightly ingrown hairs? Well, you're not alone. Ingrown hairs are a common issue that many people deal with on a regular basis. According to Google, millions of searches are made each year about this very topic, highlighting its widespread prevalence. Now, let's delve a little deeper into why these nuisances occur. You see, hair grows from follicles located under the skin. Usually this process goes smoothly and the hair emerges from the skin's surface without a hitch. However, sometimes the hair decides to take a detour. Instead of growing straight up and out, it curls back or grows sideways into the skin. This, my friends, results in an ingrown hair. The problem doesn't just stop there. Ingrown hairs can cause discomfort, redness, and even inflammation. In more serious cases, they can lead to infections. So you see, ingrown hairs are more than just a minor annoyance. They can cause serious discomfort and even lead to infections. But what really causes these hairs to grow inwards instead of breaking through the skin surface? You may wonder. Well, ingrown hairs occur when a hair that should grow out of the skin's surface turns around and grows back into the skin. This often happens when the hair follicle is clogged with dead skin cells, causing the hair to grow sideways. According to research on PubMed, certain factors can increase the likelihood of developing ingrown hairs. For instance, people with curly or coarse hair are more prone to ingrown hairs, as their hair naturally tends to curl back into the skin. Moreover, certain hair removal methods like shaving and waxing can also contribute to the problem. These methods can leave behind a sharp tip on the hair, which can easily pierce the skin and grow inwards. Additionally, individuals with certain skin conditions like keratosis pilaris that cause excessive skin cell turnover may also have a higher risk of developing ingrown hairs. Understanding the science behind ingrown hairs is the first step towards effectively treating them at home. Now that we know why ingrown hairs occur, can we do something about them at home? Absolutely. There are several effective methods to treat ingrown hairs at home. Remember, cleanliness is key. The first step is to apply a warm compress to the affected area. This will soften the skin and help bring the hair to the surface. Next, consider exfoliation. It helps remove dead skin cells that could be trapping the hair. However, be gentle. Aggressive scrubbing can worsen the situation. Topical treatments can also be beneficial. According to a study published in PubMed, creams containing salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide can reduce inflammation and clear any potential blockages. Remember, never attempt to dig out an ingrown hair with tweezers or needles. This can lead to infection. With these simple steps, you can manage and minimize the occurrence of ingrown hairs right at home. But wouldn't it be even better if we could prevent ingrown hairs from forming in the first place? Absolutely. Prevention is the key. To start, proper hair removal techniques are crucial. Shaving in the direction of hair growth using a sharp blade and not pulling the skin taut can all help to prevent ingrown hairs. A study published in PubMed supports this, showing that improper shaving techniques can lead to a higher risk of ingrown hairs. Next, maintaining a regular skincare routine is beneficial. Exfoliating and moisturizing can keep your skin healthy and prevent hairs from growing back into the skin. Lifestyle changes also play a role. Wearing loose clothing, particularly around areas where you frequently get ingrown hairs, can help. Tight clothes can cause friction and make it easier for hairs to grow back into the skin. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By following these tips, you can say goodbye to ingrown hairs for good. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Facts Academy 0122 for more informative videos like this one. Comment below if you found this video helpful or if you have any other tips for dealing with ingrown hairs. Stay tuned for more amazing facts.